Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to share what's under my Christmas tree this year. So I'll be sharing all of the gifts that I have picked up and who I'm giving them to this holiday. If you are still looking for gift ideas, I thought this would be a fun take on like regular gift guides. These are all things that I have purchased and cannot wait to gift this season. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And let's get started. All right, jumping in here real quick for a quick disclaimer. It's a different day, but I wanted to throw this in the video. If you are a friend or a family member and I am giving you a gift this year, definitely skip this video so we don't ruin any surprises. I know that a lot of you love to support my channel and I love and appreciate you for that, but this one you can definitely skip out on. All right, let's get into the gifts. All right, first I'm going to start with the men in my life, and if you are looking for more gift ideas for the men in your life, I do have a ton of gift guides over in the Like to Know It app. I will link them down below, and those are my like tried and true gifts, things that Tim has received or purchased and loves in his life. So those are kind of like my top gifts for men. I will link all down below, but this is what I picked up for my husband this year. First is this heated razor, and I've actually didn't know this really existed until I started looking at like shaving kits and things like that, because Tim really enjoys like his shaving routine in the morning, and he has the Art of Shaving kit if you are looking for a gift idea. But this is something, I don't know, I'll be interested to see what he thinks of this and if he tries it out and notices a difference. All of the reviews on it were amazing, and they said that they got so much of a closer shave and had less irritation from that. So this is just one of those things that I kind of figured was off his radar that I thought I would gift to him. And then his other gifts are actually not here yet. One is not actually coming until January because it's like a pre-order thing. And I know he definitely won't mind because it is a pair of soccer cleats that he has been wanting, and he plays in a soccer league every single week, and it's one of his like true passions in life. So I am excited to gift those to him this year, but I'm just gonna like print off a picture of it and wrap it under the tree, probably in like a huge box or something to like throw him off, you know. But that is definitely like his big gift. And then another little thing I picked up for him was a new Patagonia beanie. He loves running outside and we like to go on walks and things like that. So this is something that he will definitely use. So those are like, I think the things, like I think that's all I'm gonna get him. But I still need to do our stockings as well. So I still have a couple little things to pick up for him, but those are definitely his main gifts. All right, for my dad this year, I'm actually like so excited to give this to him. And it's kind of funny because I always struggle on what to get my dad every single year. But this, I know he is going to love and use so much. So it is this smart thermometer, and it's kind of funny the reason that I'm giving him this, because every time he is cooking, especially like meats or steak or anything, he is always kind of freaking out, making sure it's not overcooked, making sure it's not undercooked. He's always worried about the temperature. So this is kind of the perfect gift for him, and kind of in a way my mom, because we won't have to stress out about our food being like the perfect temperature, because this does the work for you. So you just use an app on your phone and it tells you when to remove whatever you're cooking from heat, and it accounts for like that extra cooking time afterward, and you basically get the perfect temperature every single time. So depending on what you're wanting to use it on, you can use it on fish, meat obviously. So I'm just so excited to give this to him this year. So I also have a younger brother. If you didn't know, I have a brother that is 10 years younger than I am. And this year I'm gifting him a like long sleeve Lululemon top. It hasn't come in the mail yet, but I did order that. And he is going skiing for Christmas this year. So I thought for one, that would be a really great layering piece for him. But he really loves camping and outdoor hiking and things like that. So I know this is something that he will definitely get some use out of. So I just ordered him like a basic long sleeve Lululemon top, and I don't think he owns anything from Lululemon, so I'm sure he will really love that. So as for my father-in-law and mother-in-law, I got them kind of a joint gift this year, and I actually got this for my parents and for Tim as well, I guess kind of like a family gift. But I made some yearly albums from chapbooks, and I'm so excited to get these in. So for each like grandparent, I kind of put obviously photos of them with Josie in there, And so those kind of start from the day she was born and our first photos together and kind of all the way through. And I love that it's in chronological order, and then it also has like the date on there, which I really appreciate because, you know, when you look back at it years from now, you won't have to remember like how old she was at a certain time. And I also put in like really cute captions, like if it was her first Thanksgiving holiday or things like that. So I think that's a really great gift idea. I'm not sure when this video goes up if you can still order in time for Christmas, but definitely something to check out for future gift ideas or even like a belated kind of late Christmas gift too. So the one I got for Tim is actually probably going to be really huge because I didn't want to narrow down the photos and just wanted all of the memories, you know, whether they were like a perfect photo or just like an everyday photo. I just love that it has pretty much all of our memories from this year. So that's what I'm gifting kind of everyone in the family. And I also love that it's in a book because they can kind of use it in whatever room they want to use it for. My parents actually aren't huge like photo people. Like we don't have any like family photos hanging up in our house except for like going down to the basement because my mom like works in an art gallery. It's like family business. So she just has like beautiful artwork everywhere. But Tim's parents, however, love photos. They have photos everywhere of like the grandparents. So I thought this would be they don't have photos everywhere of themselves, of their grandchildren all around the house. So they love to get photos. So I like that the book is going to be something a little bit different that they don't already have. So for my mom, she's like, girl, do not give me anything because I do gift her a lot throughout the year. She is a huge help helping with Josie and just around our house and helps me with errands and literally like I could not survive without my mom. But I gift her things all the time since I buy a lot here for my blog and all of that good stuff. But I did get her this jewelry box from Amazon. She briefly mentioned, oh, I don't have anything to like store my jewelry with. So I was going to get her the nice big Kendra Scott one, but I thought the Amazon one would be better for her because it's definitely smaller, and their retirement plan here soon is to like live in their Airstream. I think they're selling their house next year, so she is definitely like minimizing as much as possible. So I know this is like a great size for her to kind of use throughout the next couple of years. So that's probably going to be like her main gift. Again, I give her things like all the time. Even when she left yesterday, I was like, here's some stuff. So yeah, other than that, I'm really not sure if I'll give her anything else other than maybe like some mascara and makeup kind of essentials, which I actually need to purchase right now because Sephora is having a sale. So I need to get on that. But yeah, that's what I'm giving my mom this year. And then for my mother-in-law, this is, you know, I guess from Tim and I, but I purchased this Barefoot Dreams blanket back during the Nordstrom sale, and Tim was like, oh, I would love to give that to my mom for Christmas. So we have been hanging on to it since summertime. And y'all know my love for Barefoot Dreams, so I'm really not going to spend a lot of time on this, but definitely one of my go-to gifts for housewarmings, things like that. You can get smaller versions of this for under $100, and they do actually have some good dupes, I have heard these days. I haven't tried any myself, but yeah, Barefoot Dreams is my favorite. Y'all know. All right, so for Josie's Christmas gifts this year, she is going to be 6 months for Christmas, and we are actually just gifting her a savings account and kind of starting a savings for her future. I'm honestly not sure like the best way to go about investing that, so I'm just kind of opening a savings account for now until I can talk to my accountant and all that good stuff. But yeah, the first couple of years we definitely just want to do that for her because I know she's not interested in gifts right now. But I did purchase her a couple things that I knew that she could use for her current age if you are looking for gift ideas. So one is this little seat. It's called the Up Seat, and this is really great like hip positioning and posture. Let me take this tray off. For one, I love this tray. This is going to be so great for when she does start eating here really soon. But this one has a wider hip opening, so it's really great to prevent any hip issues, and it also is angled to where it really helps them sit more upright instead of kind of rounding through their back. So this is PT approved. If you are looking for a little seat for them, that's definitely the one I would recommend. I originally got her for that for Christmas, and then I'm like, she can use this now, so we are already using it. And then for her stocking, I got her some Tubby Todd, the everyday lotion, and kind of the hair and body wash. I have heard amazing things about Tubby Tubby Todd and the ointment and all of that. So I got a little set for her stocking. And then I also just got her this cute little teething toy. I thought this would be really great and easy for her to hold. It kind of looks like a strawberry, so of course I was drawn to it, although I think it's technically like a pink lemon, but we're just gonna go with the strawberry. So those are what I picked up for her. I also ordered a couple of new like pajamas for her next size up. Those have not arrived yet, but my favorite pajamas for her are the Lulu & Company. They just fit her really well. I like that it's separates because you don't have to worry about them growing out of it like lengthwise as quickly. So I find that she gets a lot longer wear out of those. So those are all the things that I'm gifting for family. Now for some of my friends, actually the one thing I'm gonna keep out is the gift for my assistant, because I know she's probably watching this video because that's kind of her job. So not gonna share that gift, but I do have some really great gift guides for friends and coworkers and things like that. Again, I'm just gonna link to my gift guide page down below and you can browse all of my gift recommendations. But a couple of things I have on hand for some of my girlfriends. Kendra Scott jewelry is kind of my go-to gift for pretty much any girl in my life. Like I've gifted it to my mom in the past. It's a great gift for teachers if you really want to treat them. So Kendra Scott's definitely one of my go-to gifts. So I did want to highlight a couple of my favorite current pieces from Kendra Scott. Their new winter collection is right up my alley because it's filled with hearts and bows. My like two favorite little pieces to wear. So definitely check out their new collection if you are into that as well. So first are these heart hoop earrings. They actually have a matching necklace to this as well. So this is a little more subtle, but I just love the little heart detail. And then next are these bow earrings, which I have been wearing nonstop. They're so cute for holiday, and I love that they're a little dressier. So those are also really comfortable to wear. And then these I am giving to a best friend of mine. They're just a really great everyday earring and have a really good weight to them, but again, not heavy or uncomfortable to wear all day. And they're really easy to get off and on because they just kind of clip closed. So those are some of my favorite Kendra Scott pieces currently that I will be gifting to some of my friends. My best friend loves the finer things in life like I do, so I am gifting her a couple of Chanel lip products. This Chanel lip product in Mary Rose is her go-to like favorite everyday lip color, so figured she could always use an extra one just to have in her bag or wherever. So gifting her this, and then I'm also giving her the Chanel lip balm, just adding a little bit of extra luxury to her life, which I know that she will appreciate. And I also really love when I can direct ordering from Chanel because everything comes really nicely gift wrapped and it has a really nice presentation. So that is when I'm gifting one of my best friends. And then I did want to share a couple things that I am giving myself for Christmas because I am the easiest person on my list to shop for. So if you are looking for ideas to give yourself this season, because I think we all enjoy a little treat yourself moment, especially if you don't throughout the year. It's a great time. So one thing that I recently picked up are the longer barrels for my Dyson hair attachment. Since I do have extensions now, the longer barrels make a huge difference if you have longer hair. And I do have these in the smaller version, which I liked for my regular hair just because my hair doesn't hold the curl as well. But with the extensions, they can handle a little bit of a bigger barrel. So just picked these up for myself. And then I decided that I was extra good this year. So I did treat myself to a new handbag. I have been eyeing this style of bag for a while because I really use the crossbody, like a smaller crossbody, all the time. So I thought this would be great to have a little extra room. And I also don't have a handbag in this color, which I love carrying during fall and winter. So I love that this one can be worn on the shoulder or crossbody. And I love that it has a little extra room compared to like my everyday crossbody, which is this one right here. So that's why I didn't get the lighter color, which I'm normally typically drawn to, but I thought this was a color that I did not have in my wardrobe. And if you are eyeing a luxury purchase, I purchased this from Saks and they have been doing a lot of gift card kind of bonuses lately. So when I purchased this, I got like a $500 gift card. And I'm gonna buy like another, I think, Burberry scarf, which again, this is one of my favorites. This is the blush color, which I have only seen direct at Burberry. I'll link it down below. But I mean, that's such a great deal. If you are splurging, you might as well kind of take advantage of that gift card promotion. So I always share when that happens over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, that's where I share lots of sale alerts and restocks and kind of everyday life things. So yeah, definitely give me a follow on Instagram if you're not already. But yes, I was very good this year. So this is what I purchased for myself. So that is nearly everything that is under my tree this year. I definitely have a couple things that I still need to pick up, and I am way behind on my wrapping as well, so I need to get on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's under my Christmas tree, and I'd love to hear from y'all if you have any great gift ideas or if you treated yourself this year. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!